Yo 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 les amis, c'est TubeTuber officiel pour une nouvelle vidéo sur un nouveau jeu d'horreur. Ah oui, c'est un jeu Sonic, ok? Mais car il y a deux versions du premier jeu Sonic. Sonic 1, Sonic 2 et 2 et une autre version. Cette version-là. Vous vous dites, normal, elle est en point .exe, mais... non. Bon bah ouais, elle est... Bon bah... Je vous dis... Je vais pas vous dire, je vais vous montrer la vidéo. Voici la vidéo. C'est elle. Les amis, quand je vous la montrerai...
Our tale begins in 2011 when a user over at the Creepypasta wiki, known as JC the Hyena, posted a story online which told the tale of a young man named Tom who inherited a bootleg copy of Sonic the Hedgehog from his friend Kyle. I won't read the entire story in this video, but will leave a link to my reading at the end. The basic summary of the original story is as follows. After booting up the Sonic EXE game, Tom discovers that it is haunted by a malicious spirit known as X, a godlike creature made of pure evil who is born out of a dark matter between dimensions and able to copy Sonic's appearance and then insert himself into the code of the game. Here he not only glitches the game, causing Sonic's iconic characters to die in a number of horrifying ways, but also gains the power to leave the screen and prey upon the player themselves, dragging them into the game itself where he can torment them for eternity. At the end of the story, X manifests itself as a bleeding Sonic plushie who appears on Tom's bed behind him. And this is where the story ends. Due to the popularity of Sonic the Hedgehog and the combination of pairing Sega's lovable blue mascot with horror fiction, the internet soon became super interested in JC's story. Sonic EXE rose to popularity fairly swiftly as illustrations showcasing iconic moments from the creepypasta began popping up all over sites such as DeviantArt. The popularity of this horror story expanded in 2012 when a game creator by the username Mist Crimson programmed a video game which faithfully recreated the look and feel of the cursed Sonic CD. Although it did not contain moments such as Sonic jumping out of a player's screen for obvious reasons. Regardless, this was a creepy game experience which can be downloaded and enjoyed to this day. Many popular YouTubers of the time published Let's Plays of Sonic EXE, and this attracted even more attention to the original creepypasta over at the official wiki. The admins running the site did not appreciate what they classed as low quality content, or what is known in the creepypasta community as trash pasta. The story was deleted from the creepypasta wiki, enraging author JC no end. Instead of deciding to let sleeping dogs, or should I say hogs, lie, JC the Hyena decided to post an angry rant online in an attempt to rally his fanbase against the website and get his story reinstated. This toxic outburst appears to have been scrubbed from the internet, but snippets do remain, and so here is a short sample. As you can see, I'm furious with the fact that my masterpiece, which has won the hearts of millions and has made a massive impact on the internet, is being brought down by a bunch of jealous, arrogant, retarded furry haters. But that does not mean I'm just going to sit down and take this lightly. Nope, 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 nope. They have been messing with the bull, and now they've called out the horns. Listen everyone, I need your help with this. We are at war here. I want every Sonic EXE fan who is reading this to get the word out. While the story was never reinstated to the Creepypasta wiki, it can still be found over at the spin-off domain Bad Creepypasta, available once again to read at your leisure. In 2013, a sequel was even written and published titled Sonic EXE 2 Electric Boogaloo. This was a parody of sorts, mocking the writing style of the original story. Furthermore, a fan-made film was published on YouTube which both mocked and also paid homage to the original story, intercutting live-action segments with footage of the game where a narrator explains the story. The film is still online to this day, and a link can be found in the video description below. However, this isn't quite the end of this story. In 2014, the community surrounding Sonic EXE continued to create content based upon it. Other EXE games were created, such as Sonic EXE Nightmare Beginning and Sonic EXE Spirits of Hell, which retold the story in a way which better fit the lore of the original Sonic the Hedgehog games. And Mist Crimson developed a direct sequel of sorts to his original game called Sally.exe, this time featuring the characters Sally Acorn, Rose, and Cream the Rabbit. It contains far more jump scares and a generally more oppressive atmosphere than the original.
Les gars, on lance le jeu. C'est parti. Oh, j'ai peur. Oh, ça commence. Ah ouais, normal. Après, c'est un jeu d'horreur comme tout le monde. Vous avez très bien vu. C'est quoi ce son? Ah, attendez. Oh, select. Oh, j'entends le bruit. Oh. Green Hill, acte 1. On était... Oh. Il y a un truc qui va pas aller. C'est notre première partie. Ah! Les gars, vous avez vu? Je peux pas sauter. Il y a Sonic. Les gars, il y a un truc qui va pas là. Vous êtes d'accord? Il n'y a pas de... C'est moi ou c'était beaucoup trop fort? Hide and seek. Faut qu'on s'enfuit. Sonic, il a perdu la raison, ce gars. Ah! Ah! Oh non, il va nous tuer. Oh non! Oh oh. Oh! Tails! Oh, il vient de buter Tails. You're too slow. Oh mon dieu. Il est mort. You can't run. Ok. Sonic. Knuckles! Oh oh! Oh putain! Mais wesh! Ça se passe comme ça! On joue même pas Sonic! Là on joue Eggman. Oh là! Tails est mort, Knuckles est mort. Dr Eggman c'est impossible. Il y a que 3 petits points. Docteur R. Docteur Robotnik. Donc Eggman. Oh les gars. Je commence un peu à avoir peur. Ça sent... Oh, j'ai beaucoup trop peur. Que Sonic il me saute dessus et me bute. Il a pas l'air d'être le vrai Sonic. Il est différent. Je pense qu'il il s'est réveillé à 3 h du matin. Et du coup, bah... Et bah après, il est devenu horreur. Oh non. What? Ah, ça fait mal aux yeux. Ah, c'est Sonic! Wesh. Non. Oh! I am God! Tu n'es pas God, Sonic! Tu n'es même pas un jeu! Ça fait un peu... Ça fait un peu mal aux oreilles quand même. Quoi? Comment c'est ça? Non, 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 non. What? Game created by Game Over. Oh non. Sonic. Pourquoi c'est en... C'est en chinois? Oh putain. Et j'ai eu... Oh, c'est quoi ça? J'ai vraiment peur de ce jeu. Plus jamais. Plus jamais. Non mais vas-y. Ouh. C'est sûr c'est insecte. Yo. Comment je fais? Bon bah les gars, je quitte. C'était TubeTuber officiel. Ciao ciao!